Time for the part 2 on my Q&A because I've just reached 200 subs. Guys, thank you so much for getting me to this level. It is really, really a blessing. And so now I'm going to answer all your questions that you've written to me. And so without further ado, let's jump straight in to this Q&A. Let's get started. Will you ever do any videos involving any type of sport? I already have. Who do you think are your top 3 friends on YouTube? SME Wrestling, Loggy, and APX Studio. What's your favourite musician? Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Do you hate when someone hates you? I don't mind it if someone doesn't want to like me shows, but if someone's disrespecting my opinion on something, then I never forgive them. What do you think with us? I think the correct way of saying that is, what do you think of us? If that's what you mean, then yes, I think you're awesome. Okay, Q1, do you do animation? Well, it's pretty self-explanatory, and just so you don't know, stop motion is a type of animation. Q&A question, what's your favourite type of music? Reggae, classic and pop. Q, what's your favourite YouTuber? Lee Hardcastle. Not long for 200. Well, I'm doing the Q&A video, so yeah, I've just got there. What is your favourite game? Temple Run. I give you a shout out. Go right ahead. Me sub. Thank you for that, mate, and that is it for my Q&A. Thank you very much for commenting these videos. There weren't that many comments that I had in my previous Q&A. But I did manage to get some, and I did manage to get 200 subs. So yeah, thank you guys a lot. Please, Star Invader, please sub to me, and don't forget to subscribe to my other 2 accounts. Leave the link in the description down below, and I'll see you next time.